Alright, you guys, so we are in the Home Depot. Look right here, only $200. Let's get it going. Oh, the ice.
You cannot hide. You cannot run. The moment your spirit falters, I will claim it and bind it to me forever. I steal the last breaths from the living, and I devour the remnants of their souls. And now it's time for me to feast upon you.
I think it's kind of cool that the hand pushes like forward like that. Let me do it one more time.
Your heartbeat fades. Your soul begins to slip. I reach into the veil and rip it from your dying grip.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it's giving me Punch vibes. Punch with wings. You know, do their eyes move? I mean, I know they light up. That's kind of cool. I feel like the eyes kind of shifted. Yeah, I like how the eyes light up, but I do wish they kind of shifted. It actually looks cooler in person compared to online. I will tell you that. Because I've seen it online and I was like, what? I don't know about that. It's cooler in person. And this one's going to be $200.
They ain't just swamp gas, honey. They be filled with the voices of wanderers just like you. Listen close. Hear them begging, hear them crying. Once I walk your soul inside, there ain't no escape. An old snake here. He just loves the drink of a spirit, fresh and warm.
Okay, that's kind of cool. The snake moves at the bottom. I feel like this should open and close too, because it looks like it would, but it's just like foamy. That'd be kind of cool if it had that effect.
Ain't no sky here, just walls hanging low like a coffin lid. And every step sinks you deeper. By the time you realize you can't move, it's too late. The swamp done swallowed you whole. Your spirit be slipping neath the mud, drowning slow while the critters nibble what's left.
I like how she sounds like a pirate.
I know. How much is she?
She's a sandwich. I don't know.
I don't see a price.
You done wander deep into my swamp, dearie. The shadows hungry, and they've been whispering for a taste of your bones. My snakes be restless. You just waiting for me to say the word.
one's gonna be $300. Do we like it? Do we like that? We have, okay, this guy, he was 200.
The witch was 160.
160 for the witch.
How come we're the only ship with no crew?
That's because you scared them off with your singing voice.
You're just jealous of my high pitch. My voice is a siren charm, it is.
Aye, a pitch that sings shit. And a voice more like a seagull choking on a seashell.
I like these two. Those are cool.
So they're 200 each or a
Together.
piece?
You get 'em
Oh, together for 200? Oh, not bad.
It keeps pointing to me belly.
That's no curse. It's too much iron in your diet.
Aye. Maybe the treasure is inside me.
Blimey, only things inside your belly are rotten spinach and spoiled meat.
You mock me, maybe, but I feel the gold rumbling inside.
Okay, these are my favorite.
Right. I've been slinging spirits from Transylvania to New Orleans.
Take it.
Step right up to my altar of bitters and libations. I'll mix you something smooth, strange, and just a little cursed.
I like how that moves.
Best you've ever had. And,
Oh, yeah?
well, your last.
I kind of like that.
He's wearing brogues. I don't know.
Tonight's feature, out-of-this-world herbs from our deathly garden to spruce up your cocktails. Nightshade and Venus flytrap. Better than your typical pumpkin spice martini. So grab a chair and let's see who has the best scary story.
His arms are tattooed. That's funny. On his bones.
Oh, they are. Oh, they're kind of cool.
What's that? You want to try my famous witch's brew that gets you feeling so good you'll howl at the moon? Of course you do. It'll just cost you your soul, but trust me, it's worth it.
Okay, I don't know if I would like that. But it's 200 bucks.
I like the face.
$200. Is that for that
The
guy?
at the top.
The mummy?
Uh-huh.
How much is he?
He is 300.
300? Does it make noise? I'm pretty sure he does.
Yeah, he's just turned down.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And let's see this guy right here.
Welcome, wanderer. This crop is cursed, rooted in horror, fed with souls. You'll never leave the same.
Oh, I didn't know.
You're faster than the last one, but not fast enough when the roots take hold. I can smell your fear. Are you a scared little bird? Afraid a scarecrow is going to reap your soul? You done right. You're just in time. The others are waiting below. Now, let the harvest begin.
He's 159.
159. Do we like him? I'm not too sure.
They slide up.
They just light up. This guy's cool. I already showed that one. Then we have the Raven, the Witch. This one is not hooked up. I'm not too sure if it hooks up or anything. These tombstones down here. Let's see. And they have the blow molds. Look at the cat. Look at the shark. He's $45. These are all 45. These are just your classic. Then you have the Mickey. Whoop, and Minnie. 50. These are just the regular pumpkins. They do light up. There's a cat one and the owl. I've never seen this one. The classic one. These are kind of cool. Those are kind of cool. I like those. And $45 for a 3-tiered one. This is $35. Color changing lighting kit. Okay, to put in your Bone Daddy. These are going to be $29.99. The cauldron spotlights. $29.99. LED floodlight. These are all $29.99. Got the dripping blood candle. Zero. Jack up here. He's $35. Pathway lights. These are about $30. They have pumpkin and ghost as well, and the tarantula. These are $15. And there's the bat one. Oh my gosh, look at the scorpion one. That'd be kind of cool if the tail actually did like move and whip. I would buy that, you know, because desert scorpions. And these are 20. Oh, there's no light. 25 the cat. Same with the dog. And they have a rattlesnake. Kind of cool that makes noise. And here's a little mini guy for 25. Do it like this little one compared to the large. Kind of funny. And then blow ups. These are 7. These are Paw Patrol. $40, 40, 35, and there's a devil minion. This one's 35. We also have a bingo, and I believe that's about 35, and Stitch. These are 100, but you can barely hear them.
I think I can turn them up.
A toast to love eternal.
To a dance that never ends.
In a ballroom 6 feet deep.
And music that never fades.
To the great beyond, where love is all that remains. I vow to haunt beside you.
Until our names are weathered from the grave.
A toast to love eternal.
To a dance that never ends.
In a ballroom 6 feet deep.
And music that never fades.
To the great beyond, where love is all that remains.
Oh, still can't really hear them. I try to turn it up, but I want to see this troll guy. He's 120.
Wanna pick me up and hold me? Me not here to cuddle though. Me here to slushy your squishy skull.
I like the big one last year.
This
Big
is kind of
troll.
cool though.
That's cool.
Oh, centuries we rats that scurried in the sewers and under your floorboards. Tonight, that all changes. Release the plague! The rats, they whisper and carry secrets of doom and darkness. We have brewed this new plague that is sure to finish you all off for good.
And then this guy is back. He is 180,
It doesn't look as good as last year.
I think. Okay, they need the one with the trench coat and then it opens.
The flasher.
Yeah,
That
that would be funny. They need that one. It's kind of funny. Stitch is going to be $200. I think my favorite would be the pirates. Pirates are kind of cool. Let's see this guy.
I'd like to date.
It's 45.
I don't got nobody.
I like his hand is in there.
Don't worry. I don't talk to strangers.
I wonder if his hand's supposed to do something.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Get away!
It's funny. Those are funny. And I believe that is it, you guys. That I know it's kind of tiny. I feel like Home Depot's Halloween is somewhat tinier.
We'll keep an eye on it though.
Compared to
Lowe's.
Lowe's. I seem to like Lowe's. They have like more animatronics. Do you know? Here's these are 13. I like the werewolf guy over here. You got Ghost, $29. Well, that's crazy. These are 30, yeah. And then you have the doormat. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it in the Lowe's. Please give this video a thumbs up or a hype. It does help me out in the YouTube algorithm world. But again, my favorite will probably have to be these pirates. We got the minions up there on top with Hello Kitty. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next video. Woo!